Welcome to Dabow's Playroom.
Look what we have here. This was sent to us by Gifts2U, and it is a dinosaur transport car carrier. Let's take it out of the box. It opens up. Oh, it's got a little handle so you can carry it around and carry your cars.
Yeah.
The door's open.
This.
Yeah.
Look, it comes with the helicopter. Do you see the helicopter? And how many dinosaurs did it come with? 6.
They put it on the floor.
6 dinosaurs.
open.
Let's count. Look.
Open.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
He's looking.
6.
He's looking.
He's looking.
Yeah.
It's got a handle so you can carry your truck around.
I
And you,
need to do that.
looky here, look, you can fit your own cars in there too and carry them.
Wow.
Can you ride them?
Yes, we can. Woo.
Is this rock?
So we're going to have the purchase link in the description. Do you like that?
That's cool. Dino super truck.
Let's count them.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's that one? 6. Very good.
This one here.
Sure.
Over here.
Wherever you want. Makoa, do you like
Perfect.
it? Say, I love it. Makoa, say, I love it. Say, peekaboo. Where's Makoa?
Thank you again, Gifts2U, for sending us this little truck because I think Makoa likes it. Tell everybody bye-bye.